Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. First off, I just want to say thank you for tuning in. I'm trying something different this time around and I hope you guys enjoy it. But before we get into the video, if you could just take a second to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, you could do that as well. It really helps my channel out, and in turn I can provide great content for you guys. Okay, so let's get into the video. I decided to get a mannequin head so that I could do more tutorials on braids and other hairstyles. But this is how the mannequin looked on the website, and this is how it looked when it arrived. It was supposed to have curly, natural hair texture. It's supposed to be human hair, but this is how it came. So I'm a little bit worried at this point, but I decided to wash it to see if I could bring some of the curl pattern back. So that's what you see me doing now, prepping the head and preparing to wash it. I just decided to use regular basic shampoo, nothing special, to see if I can revive the curls. So after shampooing the mannequin, the hair did begin to shed a little bit, as you can see from the side of the sink, but I just decided to keep going. I'm conditioning the hair at this point, and I'm going to rinse it out just to see what I'm working with. So this is what it looks like after being washed, and it is natural human hair. I don't know if it's 100%, but it's definitely black hair. Feels just like it, looks just like it. So I'm going to use Cantu leave-in to try to detangle it and to bring some of the curl definition back. Okay guys, so I'm a little bit shocked at this point because when I bought this mannequin, I was just looking for one that had natural texture, a little afro, just like a little bit that you could grip and braid. No, this mannequin has some length to it. It's got a nice curl pattern. It's easily detangled. Like each section I pulled out was not tangled at all. It's crazy. But right now, I'm just going to continue to separate and section off the mannequin's hair. So this is what it looks like once it's air dried. It is a little bit stiff. So I'm just going to spritz it with water just to dampen the hair, and then I'm going to begin to blow dry it to straighten it out. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I'm just going to add oil to the mannequins here at this point just to keep it moisturized, and stay tuned for part 2 where I'm actually going to be styling the mannequins here. I'm just going to do a practice run just to see if I'm able to braid it, if I'm able to part the hair and get straight parts. This is the first time I've ever used a mannequin, so I'm just going to try it out to see what it looks like. I'm going to take you guys for the ride, but thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified of any new content.